I came across this awesome way of putting text behind a person in CapCut. So if you want to learn this awesome technique, follow this video guide and you'll become a better video editor. Let's go into it. The first step, of course, is to add a video to our timeline, and we're going to use this one right over here. Now, once this has been added, we can go ahead up to the text tab on the top left-hand side and create some text. We can now go ahead and choose the text style that we would like and click on the plus icon. We can now also adjust the size of the text and the duration. If you go over to the right-hand side, you will see a bunch of text options such as what it actually says, the font style, size, and color. Once we're happy with our text, we're going to go ahead and right-click on the actual text bar on our timeline and look for Create Compound Clip. This will basically create a text with a background. Now from here, we want to go and look for our main clip, and we want to click on it and duplicate it. Now to duplicate this, we're going to go ahead and hold in Control and tap on C and then tap on V. This will copy and paste the clip. We want to now go ahead with the second clip selected up to the top right hand side and click on the Remove BG. This will allow you to automatically remove the background from this video clip. The next step is quite simple. All we need to do now is take this compound clip, which we created as text, and click down and drag it so that it is in between these two clips right over here on our timeline. You will see now when I push play that this text is behind the person. And there you go, folks. You can go ahead and use this effect to enhance the quality and engagement of your videos. We'll see you next time, creators. Peace out.